My name is Lisa Padmore, and I am an English teacher at Benton Park School. At the start of term, I use AQA's Enhanced Results Analysis tool to gain a better understanding of how my students performed in the most recent exam series, and how this can inform my teaching for the coming year. As well as analysing student performance, I use Enhanced Results Analysis to identify potential model answers to use in the classroom. Using the tool, I can see which of my students performed at the highest level, on which questions they received the highest marks, and which answers should be suitable examples. I can then easily pinpoint which student scripts I would like to be returned by AQA. As the scripts are returned with commentary, they can be used as is alongside the examiner report to identify what went well and the lessons that can be learned. I can also identify and request scripts at the lower levels to glean lessons from these. Here are the steps I take. If searching across all of my students, I first select Marks Analysis, and in the search box, select the qualification level, exam series, and my subject group. From here, I can select View Components to identify individual units, in my case, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Finally, I select View Questions, and I'm able to see a question-by-question breakdown. This allows me to view marks achieved by individual students on each question and gain a picture of my class performance as a whole. If I want more information on a specific student, I click on Students Results on the Start menu and use the search function to identify my student directly by entering candidate number and name. Enhanced Results Analysis allows me to download all of these results by clicking on the Download tab. This means I can also perform my own analysis and amalgamate this year's data with the data of previous years. I am able to gain a comprehensive view of student performance, present this to the head of my department, and form a plan for the coming year.